This is a portable diffuser that doesn't require any water, and it is super easy to use. You recharge it and you're able to put it anywhere around the house, covering several hundred square feet with this one little palm-sized waterless diffuser. Super easy to use, and it also comes as a starter kit with 4 bottles of essential oils inspired after different hotels. So from the bottom, you're just gonna push it with your finger to slide up that piece. And then we're going to put in your choice of essential oil into here. You can use any one that you want. It comes with 4 bottles inspired by certain hotels. Like this one is inspired by the Hotel Atlantis. So these are also high-end oils. So you can put a little bit in there or as much as you want. It also comes with the kind of like a syringe with an extension tube so that you don't have to just free pour. You can use that to get a specific amount. Or to just make sure you don't spill it. Now you just put it right back on, it's nice and tight, and then you're going to line it up with the arrow to the arrow. So we're just gonna slide that in, and it's super smooth and easy to use. I'm gonna hit the power button, I'm gonna hold that down for a few seconds, and it is already diffusing. Hoping you can see that there, but there we go, it is already diffusing. So the way that it works, it's not just a constant diffusing of the oil, because your house would be too strong with the fragrance and you would run out of it really quick. So it has a low, medium, and high setting on here. You can just tap the power button to change it from low, medium, or high. The low setting is going to be 5 seconds of diffusing, as you just saw, and then it'll pause for 180 seconds. The medium is going to be 15 seconds of diffusing, pausing for 150 seconds. And then the high setting is going to be 30 seconds of diffusing with a 120-second pause. So it's got different settings on here. It also has a time delay setting on here with 1 hour, 3 hour, and 6 hour delay, so that it's not constantly running, but it'll run with those time delays. So this is just a super easy piece to be able to use. It's portable, you can put this in the car, take it to the office, have it around the house, any room that you want. There's the USB-C, and it also comes with the USB-C charging cable and everything that you see here. So super easy to use, highly, highly recommend it. This is an absolute game changer for the house and for just diffusing oil. It really creates a beautiful aroma throughout the house. Highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.